I've been making buckets for 30, 40 years now. They can be 4 inches by 9 inches, up to 3 meters by 2 meters. There's a big variety of buckets. The more complex they are, the more fun they are to make, the more pride you take in them. If you've got pride in your product, then you know you're 95% there. We produce all our products in-house. There's very few of us in the country who manufacture a specific size and for a big machine. You can do so much on the screen and then you put it in a roller, they create the roll, the bucket's nearly made before you have to actually get a welder to it. Speeds the process up no end. We can turn a bucket out next day. Our customers drive our development. They're forever asking for something else and we're keen to oblige, you know. I don't know if we're different, we are better, and you get it from a British company. BMC buckets are now nationwide. Wherever you are in the country, you're going to see a BMC bucket somewhere or other.